Hi everyone, this is Clementine, founder of Goldie Lost here. Welcome to another series of Goldie Lost Academy. Today we're going to be making you a very helpful video on how to cut the lace on your lace front wig. Now don't forget, we have a lot of other helpful videos as well, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so let's get started. You're going to take your Goldie Lost lace top lace front wig and put it on something so it doesn't move around. We're using a core kit. You can easily buy these online and it just helps keep the wig stable. You can also hold it in your hand if that's easier and you don't have one of these, or you can put it on a wig stand. So I have my wig here, ready to cut. You're going to want to get the hair out of the way in some way. So you can either use something like these, or these are also really handy as well. These are Velcro and they're just great for sticking the hair back out of the way. So choose your option and move the hair back out of the way. I'm going to be using these today. So I'm just going to get all of these little hairs out of the way, and you want to do that so you're not actually cutting any of the human hair. And take another one to the other side. Make sure you get all those little baby hairs up out of the way. Then you're going to take a pair of scissors, really sharp scissors. The sharper the better. If you have blunt scissors, they're going to cause not such a clean cut on the lace and it can cause fraying. So make sure you have a really sharp pair of scissors. Okay, so let's get cutting. You're going to want to cut about 1/4 inch in front of the hairline. So you'll see where the hairs are sewn into the lace, all hand tied on our wigs, and you're going to want to leave a little bit of lace in front of that. So I'm going to cut up in the middle and stop about 1/4 inch in front of that hairline. You can start at either side if you prefer. This is just an easy way to do it as well. Now I'm going to start at the ear tab, and I'm just going to easily cut along about 1/4 inch in front of that hairline. Following the line of the hairline, and then you can keep this or you can just throw that away. Some people like to keep it in case they ever damage their lace, that they have it handy for repairs, but otherwise you can just toss it in the rubbish bin. Now we've cut this left hand side. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the right side. So again, I'm going to start in the middle on this one. You can start at the other side as well, it doesn't actually matter. Just going along the hairline, leaving that 1/4 inch. Just going to move a little bit more hair out of the way here. It's always better to go slow and steady. I'm going to cut down and around that ear tab. And again, now I have that extra piece. You can hang on to it or throw it away if you like. Okay, so let's see how well we did. So let's see how we did. I'm going to take my little wig off. So now the lace is beautifully cut. Easily pull the wig into place. Take the 2 ear tabs and make sure that they are lined up on your head. This is Luna on 16 inch. My Goldie Lost hair, really beautiful color, sort of a silvery blonde. And you can see the lace is cut, and look how natural that hairline looks. Looks like the hair's grown out of my head. So, really easy to do. A lot of people are really worried about cutting the lace for the first time. It's actually really easy to do, and if you follow these instructions, you won't go wrong. So thanks for watching our video, and don't forget, like and subscribe.